Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today is Saturday. Going to get into a little quick small tool review on a small 12-piece 3/8 metric socket set. But before I tend to do that, I would like to give a big shout out to a gentleman who has a channel on YouTube. It goes by MidWest Tool Review. He basically gave me a shout out on his channel. Showed a lot of respect, a lot of love, and in the same token, I always show that same love and that same respect back. So blessings, King. Enough respect to you for that. I'm going to jump right into the product over here. As you can see, which is a Milwaukee 12-piece 3/8 socket set metric. The part number is 48-229001. And as you can see, its sockets come in its 4 flats. Right here is a 15mm metric socket. And as you can see, it has its Milwaukee laser etching. These are 6-point metric sockets that run from, what is this? This is 10mm to 19mm. And it also comes, as you can see, with a roto swivel head ratchet. Which has a 3/8 anvil on it with detent pin. The handle is semi-tight comfort gripped with 2 different tight materials. The set also comes with a smaller like extension. And as you can see, it has its laser etching marking here. It's a nice, decent set to have when you're on the move and on the go, and you need to do a little quick, simple job, and you don't want to always have to come back to a tool chest or a tool cart. It's something good to have basically in your vehicle or on a carry around. But that's just about it for today. I'm in the shop. I'm still at work. So I'm just recording this real quick in between the job while I'm waiting for some parts at the moment. As you can hear in the background, you hear the impact guns going off. So you know I'm in a professional shop and this is not a DIY type video. So once again, this is your usgeneral 5-drawer technician tool cart with side tray, deep compartment. Give you a little quick view. Got some nut extractors back there and a 360-degree pivoting back there. Okay, and once again, shout out to MidWest Tool Review. Okay, peace.